Construction is complicated. You've got endless documents to track, complex drawings to review, and a whole lot of people who need the latest information yesterday. Unfortunately, too many teams are still stuck using yesterday's solutions, turning your projects into, well, absolute chaos. Thankfully, there's a better way to build. Bluebeam is the industry-standard solution for PDF markups, digital workflows, and effective project collaboration. Think of it like a magic toolbox made by and for industry pros like you. You can mark up 2D or 3D PDFs with customizable tools for every trade, save and share your favorite markups to speed up your next project, and track every change so everyone's always on the same page. Literally. Bluebeam gives you the freedom to work your way. Keep all your documents and data up to date with automation, or build custom workflows that simplify tasks from start to finish. From takeoffs to site logistics, RFIs, and everything in between. It's also your virtual project room for real-time collaboration. Invite teams to mark up and measure together at the same time. And get the latest updates whenever you need them. Oh, and we made getting started easy too, with tons of resources to get teams up to speed. And you'll also get ongoing product enhancements suggested by customers like you, so you can keep building better all the time. But that's just the start of what Bluebeam can do for you. Ready to make life a lot easier? Try Bluebeam free today.